Hey beauties, welcome back to the Luscious Vlogcast. It's another unboxing.
Yeah. Slow mo. Let me know. Turn it up.
Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Oh So Natural Edit, which is from the latest in Beauty box. This is a new beauty box that I have recently. I don't know, every time I say beauty, it sounds like I'm saying booty. I'm not saying booty, I'm saying beauty. But anyway, this is the latest in beauty subscription box that I recently discovered. And what's different about this is that everything you get to choose. So I'm going to be showing you the 9 products that I chose because I chose the subscription level that has 9 products in it. And this first one is the Pie cleansing oil, and I've always wanted to try their cleansing oil, and I always wanted to try products from Pie, so I thought this would be a great pick. It has rosehip oil, which is good for helping your skin glow, so that was an obvious pick for me. Next up is a water essence, activating water essence from Clinique. I just thought the name was cute and the actual product is really something that I would normally choose anyway. I like essences, I like serums, so I thought this would be great because it's good for dry skin and hydration, and it had a lot of good reviews from women that have experienced using it. So I thought, you know what? This is something new that I wouldn't normally pick, so I decided to get them. Now, you know, I'm no stranger to Dr. Botanicals. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see that I have quite a selection of their products already. This is one of them that I didn't have. It has hemp in it, so I definitely wanted to try this. Weleda is one of those products that I've seen on Instagram quite a number of times. And again, all of these products are things that I've actually seen on Instagram and I was kind of influenced to purchase. And that's probably why I selected a lot of these products in here. And because I actually don't have anything. And this looks really good. You know, it's rich and an intensive skincare, skin food, as it says on the packaging. So I thought this would be a great pick. And this is probably one of my most look forward products in this box, really and truly, because it looks really good. Next up is the Sport FX Blend and Go. If you watched, I want to say, my GlossyBox video, this is actually where I first found out about Sport FX. I got a lip balm in here, and because it's summer now, I think all of us are probably going to be investing in some really nice makeup tools. So I thought, you know what, I need a new sponge. I'm gonna try this out anyway and see how it works. And I kind of like what I see from the Sport FX brand so far, because actually I did end up choosing another Sport FX product in this box that I'm going to show you in a little while. And this retails relatively affordable. I think it's around 5 or 6 euros. I'm not quite sure of the price. Anyway, next up we have the Fushi Lip Botanicals Hydra Intense Balm. I love lip balms, and I feel like because it's this time of season where we're getting into summer, my lips are a little bit more dry than usual, especially at the nighttime. And this smells amazing. It has this like a minty smell to it, but I really like it. And I like lip balms, and I think this was just a natural pick for me to select from this. And anything that's going to help moisturize my lips, keep it hydrated, I definitely would purchase. Okay, so this is the lip balm that I was talking to you about from Sport FX. Like in a previous unboxing video, I got, I think it was coconut balm in my GlossyBox video, I think. And it was either the coconut or it was the raspberry. And I was like, oh, raspberry looks really good. So when I saw that they actually had it in this box and I could actually select it, I just had to get it because I really enjoy the coconut one. So I feel like having this raspberry one is just going to give that nice fruity scent that I would like to try. Now, Molten and Brown, everybody seems to have gone completely crazy over these products. This is my first time Don't judge me. I have no idea what Molten Brown is. Maybe it's like a huge thing in the UK. Obviously, it's from London. But these smell amazing. They smell so good. I can see why everyone's going crazy over it. And you know what? I recently got another subscription box and I got another Molten Brown product in there. Anyway, sorry, rambling here. This is the Sanctuary Spa Nourishing Rose Petal Hydrogel Mask. I love sheet mask, so that's why I picked this. This was also one of those products that I think was in another subscription box, and I didn't actually get this mask. I ended up getting another mask. So to be able to pick this one in this box, I was super excited. Okay, the last thing that I showed you was the Latest in Beauty bag. I think as a first time subscriber, they gave it to you free. So these are my picks. I hope that you enjoy it. I look forward to showing you in the next video.